This is a FAQ with BCP. Today we're taking a deep dive into our solar LED patio umbrella. What is the material of the pole and fabric? Let's open the box and get started. The detachable pole is made of a durable aluminum and fabric is UV and water resistant. Which base should I use? We recommend our heavy-duty base with wheels, or if you happen to already have a stand, make sure it can support a 1.5 inch pole diameter. Why isn't the umbrella opening? To ensure a smooth opening, turn the crank slowly clockwise. Check to see if the rope is stuck beside the pulley. If it is, place it back on track. How long do the lights need to charge, and how long do they last? These LED lights last 6 to 7 hours on a single charge, and they take the same amount of time to charge in direct sunlight. Why aren't the lights working? Make sure the battery connector is inserted prior to charging. This is a common mishap when the lights are not working. Unscrew the solar panel and insert the battery connector to achieve that full charge. Then reattach the panel. From here, you can press the power switch to turn on and off the LED lights. How do I replace the battery? To replace your battery, just pop open the battery cover on the solar panel and place one AA rechargeable battery inside, then replace the cover. How do I get the tilt to lock? Once you've found the ideal shade position, you'll want to lock it in. To do this, find the button on the pole. Gently push the button and tilt to your ideal position. Then release the button and it will lock automatically. Thanks for shopping with BCP. For content like this and more, check out our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.